Cool mornings, long slants of light, the road curls through the North Georgia mountains, gravel, switchbacks, mist rising off the ridge, and hovering just behind me, it's not a film crew, it's the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX, the OG of flying cameras, the world's first to capture true 8K, no upscaling, no pixel tricks, just raw detail and the freedom to ride without a cameraman in sight. Let's see what that looks like when the mountain becomes the studio. Today we're testing how far hands-free filmmaking can go. I'm riding an e-bike through the North Georgia mountains, and every aerial shot you'll see was filmed by a drone that fits in my pocket, because that's what the PROMAX promises. A cameraman that fits in your pocket. 192 grams, folds like a book, lighter than a phone, AI powered, easy to use, stable, and ready to shoot anywhere. Let's start with what makes it so portable. When you first fold it, it barely feels real. It's just 192 grams. It weighs less than my iPhone 16 Pro Max folded. It's about the size of a wallet. It slides into a jacket pocket or tucks between two GoPro batteries in a bike pack. So that's the first superpower of the PROMAX. It's portability, because gear you actually carry is the gear that captures the shot. No bulky cases, no extra prop arms. Just unfold, power on, and launch from your hand. It's designed from a high elastic composite, lighter than carbon fiber, designed to survive trail dust and wind shear. And 4 cage props means no exposed blades. You can literally catch it midair. That's how you know it's meant for movement, for people who don't stand still. Ease of use, that's the second headline feature. Power on, 2 taps on the top button, it takes off from your hand and holds steady. No joysticks, no calibration dance. The onboard AI does the heavy lifting. Vision sensors analyze depth, motion, and surroundings so it can hover with surgical precision even without GPS. For a creator like me, riding through mountain terrains where GPS drops out, that's gold. It's plug-and-play flight. The companion beacon remote is where ease meets control. A tiny OLED screen and joysticks you can strap to your wrist or bars. Change modes, see battery, and trigger record without ever stopping the ride. So while I'm pedaling through switchbacks, the PROMAX is already tracking, framing, and recording. That's ease of use redefined, the kind that keeps you in the moment, not in the settings menu. Now we get to what really sets it apart, flight tracking. The HOVERAir X1 PROMAX is, without question, your best tracking drone. A self-flying selfie drone that without effort follows you. I launch it from my hand, tap follow, and take off up the trail. The drone locks onto me using vision-based AI, not just GPS pings, but pattern recognition of my helmet and bike motion. As I climb, it adjusts altitude automatically. Leaning into a corner, it compensates. Slow down for a deer crossing, it hovers patiently and then accelerates again. This isn't a gimmick, it's film-level autonomy. The drone predicts trajectory and anticipates movement so that the shot stays centered and smooth. I've tested plenty of follow drones before. Most struggle with trees and elevation changes, but the PROMAX uses 6 directional sensors and a new tracking algorithm that keeps the frame tight without crashing into obstacles. Its maximum tracking speed of 42 kilometers per hour, plenty fast for an e-bike charging up a mountain or coasting down gravel roads. You feel it following, quiet confidence like a camera operator who already knows the next angle. Midway up the ridge, I stop and switch modes. There's orbit, dolly track, bird's eye, and zoom out, each one an automated cinematic move. In orbit, the drone circles me and the bike, framing the mountain panorama behind. It keeps me centered, adjusting speed to match terrain, and the result feels like a Hollywood crane shot made by AI. Then I switch to dolly track. The camera slides behind me as I ride, capturing dust, motion, and speed. Finally, bird's eye, straight above, looking down on the rider against forest geometry. That's the moment the mountain starts to look like a map, and you realize how small we really are. All of it hands-free, just me riding, the drone thinking, and the camera seeing. Now let's talk about the fourth pillar, imaging power. This is where the PROMAX earns its name as the OG of flying cameras, the world's first to capture true HK, no upscaling, no pixel tricks, no marketing math, just real 8K frames from a 1/1.3 inch sensor with a 107-degree field of view. For creators, this means you can shoot in 8K and deliver in 4K with room to crop, stabilize, or reframe without quality loss. And if you want slow motion, it drops to 4K 120 frames per second, but still sharp, still clean. 10-bit HLG HDR gives you that cinematic dynamic range. Bright sky, deep forest, no crush detail. The color grading latitude is insane for a pocket-sized drone. And because the ProMax pairs optical stabilization with EIS, every frame feels like it's floating on air. When I scrub through the footage in Adobe Premiere from this ride, the motion is buttery, the shadows are honest, and the highlights don't clip out the clouds. You don't need a crew, you need clarity, and that's what imaging power means here. In real numbers, flight time averages around 14 minutes in these mountains, enough for a complete ride segment or 2 cinematic passes. Wind resistance level 5, roughly 24 miles per hour gust. It held steady on the ridge, barely drifted. Range with the beacon up to 1 kilometer. Internal storage 64 gigabytes plus micro SD to 1 terabyte. All of that in a 92 gram frame. That's engineering efficiency done right. And because it's under 250 grams, you're good to fly recreationally without registration hassle. The magic of the ProMax is that it fits into your workflow like a second camera angle that never gets tired. You're riding solo, it follows. You're shooting a B-roll sequence, it locks on to the subject and pulls cinematic moves automatically. You're on a lookout point, hand launch, hit zoom out mode, and the drone backs away, revealing the entire valley in 8K glory. For travelers, hikers, content creators, this is the dream. A cameraman that fits in your pocket, your best tracking drone, the OG of flying cameras. 3 lines that sum up what this device really represents. Now a few real-world truths. In dense canopy, tracking can briefly pause as the AI relocks on you. Battery life demands planning. Carry a spare for longer shoots. I carry 2 extra spares. And wind gusts at ridges will test stability, so keep it low when the mountain starts to howl. But honestly, these are small trade-offs for the freedom you gain. No setup crew, no drone pilot, just you, your bike, and a machine that flies itself. When I look back at the footage from today, there's a moment that gets me every time. I'm riding through a sunlit curve and the ProMax catches the light bouncing off dust like tiny stars. I didn't frame that, it did. That's when it hits you. This isn't a toy, it's a partner, a quiet AI-driven storyteller that floats behind you and remembers what you were too busy to see. Portability, ease of use, tracking, imaging power, 4 pillars that turn a gadget into a creative companion. That's what the HOVERAir ProMax is. Not just a drone, a cameraman that fits in your pocket. So here's my take. If you create outdoors, if you ride, hike, climb, or wander, this is the future of personal filmmaking. You don't need a production team. You need portability, ease, smart tracking, and imaging power. And the ProMax nails all 4. So to the writers, the creators, and the dreamers out there, the next time you head into the mountains, don't leave your storyteller behind. Bring the one device that can follow you through it. The HOVERAir ProMax, the OG of flying cameras, a cameraman that fits in your pocket, the best tracking drone. Thanks for watching. I'm Jeremy Vinny, and this was a real ride in the North Georgia mountains. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know what gear you want to see fly next. Until then, keep rolling, keep flying, and keep capturing your ride.